Good morning all. Super quick video from me today. This is just on the Aprilia Caponord front mudguard, which actually fits the V85 TT. Seen a lot of talk about it on the forums. I was fed up with the rubbish all over the front of the engine, so this was a very simple solution. It cost me about £39 from the UK dealer. Was here in about a week and a half, so we don't seem to have supply issues with it. And it took me no more than 5 minutes to fit. Just 3 4mm hex bolts either side. A little bit of Loctite just to make sure that when it goes in it's not going to shake itself out as the V85 TT bolts seem to like to do. Provided you like the look of it, then it's a nice solution. What I would say is be very wary if you're fitting it and you've got knobblies. It may not fit because it's quite close in profile to the tyre. I think actually if you do a lot of off-road on it either, I wouldn't actually recommend it because you're going to get a lot of mud on the front wheel which could clog up the front wheel, which is why I would imagine the V85 TT doesn't come with the front mudguard in the first place. And I think it looks okay. It could potentially be painted if you wanted it to be, it could be stickered if you want it to be. Haven't got around to that yet. Hope you enjoy the looks of it, and hopefully this will answer the question out there on the forums around how and why and whether, and look forward to seeing you all again soon.